Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel All in One. In this video we are going to study the notes and question and answers of class 7 social science chapter 6, that is impact of British rule. If you want the notes of other lesson and other subject, you can check my playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. Exercises. First one, answer the following in a sentence each. First question, who introduced the permanent zamindari system? Answer, the Governor General Cornwallis introduced the permanent zamindari system. Second question, what is Rotary system? Answer, the system where the farmers could directly remit the land tax to treasury without any intermediaries is Rotary system. Third question, how much money was set aside for Indian education in the Charter Act of 1813? Answer, 1 lakh rupees was set aside for Indian education in the Charter Act of 1813. Fourth question, who implemented the Regulating Act and when? Answer, the Governor General Warren Hastings implemented Regulating Act in 1773. Fifth question, which are the Indian universities established in 1857? Answer, Bombay, Calcutta and Madras universities are established in 1857. Second one, discuss in group and answer the following. First question, how did permanent zamindari system influence the farmers? Answer, the zamindars exploited the farmers by collecting excess land tax. The tenant farmers were forced to pay their share even though crops had failed. Permanent zamindari system resulted in growth of bonded labor. Second question, explain the impact of Western education. Answer, Western education enabled Indians from different languages to interact in English among themselves. This gave impetus to the growth of nationalism. Western education led to new literary movements. Third question, mention some of the important constitutional reforms in India. Answer, some of the important constitutional reforms in India are Regulating Act 1773 CE, Pitas Indian Act 1784 CE, Morley Minto Reforms 1919 CE and 1935 Act. Third one, match the following items mentioned in A with information given in B. First question, Warren Hastings, collection of tax by action. Second one, Cornwallis, permanent zamindari system. Third one, Thomas Monroe, Rotary system. Fourth one, William Bentinck, English Education. Fifth one, Dadabhai Navroji, Wealth Drain Theory. Fourth one, discuss. First question, the revenue system of the British and the present system of revenue. Answer, the British revenue system in India was based on land revenue systems, which were introduced during colonization before independence. Today, India followed the revenue system which is not exploit the farmers. India follows revenue free system. So this is all about your lesson number 6, impact of British rule. As I told you, if you want more lessons, check the playlist of my videos. Thank you.